maybe it had something to do with the shoot. So overall, when it comes to espresso, you're not going to really need to mess with the changing of RPM. I haven't found a difference. Maybe you will, but personally didn't. If you want clean pour over cups, I think the RPM and having that slower option is incredibly nice. When it comes to buying it, this is $550, which might sound like a lot to some, but when it comes to the realm of coffee grinders, this is a very, very good deal. You'll for sure get better results than the Niche Zero on both pour over and espresso, in my opinion.